Question 11 of this exercise says an aeroplane leaves an airport and flies due north at a speed of 1000 kilometers per hour. At the same time, another aeroplane leaves the same airport and flies due west at a speed of 1200 kilometers per hour. So one aeroplane is going north at 1000 kilometers per hour. Another aeroplane is going west at 1200 kilometers per hour. How far apart will the two planes be after 1.5 hours? So this is the problem we have to solve. So let's start by drawing a figure for the given information. Okay, so here's a rough sketch that I have drawn of an airport and two planes leaving the airport at the same time. So one plane is going north at 1000 kilometers per hour and another plane is going west at 1200 kilometers per hour. And both airplanes have left the airport at the exact same time. We have to find out how far apart the two planes will be after 1.5 hours. So after 1.5 hours, suppose that the first plane reaches, let's say, this point here, and the second plane reaches, let's say, this point here. Okay, so now let's label the points. Let's call the airport point O, the point of origin. Let's call this point here where the first airplane reaches after 1.5 hours. Let's call this point A, and the position of the second airplane after 1.5 hours, let's call it point B. And now if we join A and B, we see that we get a right angled triangle because AO and BO are perpendicular to each other. And what we basically have to find is the length of AB, because we have to find the distance between the two planes after 1.5 hours. So the distance is simply the length of AB. So let's represent the distance by D. D is what we have to find. So this is a fairly easy problem. We just find OA and OB and then apply the Pythagoras theorem to find the distance D. So what will OA be equal to? OA is the distance covered by the first plane. So OA will be equal to the speed of the first plane, so 1000 kilometers per hour, into the time traveled. So that's 1.5 hours. 1.5 hours is 1.5 hours. So 1000 into 1.5 is 1500 kilometers. So we will get OA as 1500 kilometers. Similarly, we can find OB. So OB will be the speed of the second plane, so 1200 kilometers per hour, into the time of travel, so 1.5 hours again. So OB will be equal to 1200 into 1.5 is 1800, so 1800 kilometers. So what this means is that the first plane OA, the first plane covers the distance OA, which is 1500 kilometers in the north direction. The second plane covers a distance of 1800 kilometers in the west direction. And now we have to find the distance between the two planes. So we apply the Pythagoras theorem to triangle AOB, because triangle AOB is right angled. So D, the distance between the two planes, will simply be equal to OA square plus OB square and the root of this. Now let's plug in the values. So, and let's write the units outside. So D will be in kilometers. So OA is 1500. So we take 1500 square, and OB is 1800. So we take 1800 square and the root of this sum, these many kilometers. Okay, now both the square terms have 100 in them. So I'm going to take out 100 square term common. So 100 square, so root of 100 square into 15 square plus 18 square. So this is how I'm going to write this. So make sure you understand how I've done this. So I take out the 100 outside the square root. So I get 100 into root of 15 square is 225, 18 square is 324. So I get 100 into root of 225 plus 324. So this is 100 into root of 549. 549. So 100 root 549. Now we have to find the square root of 549. So let's do that. So to find the square root of 549, let's prime factorize it. So 549, it's not even, but if you add up the digits, you can see that it's divisible by 3. So we divide by 3 and that will give us 183. This is still divisible by 3, so we divide by 3 again, and that gives us 61, and 61 is a prime number. So 549 is basically 3 square into 61, and this means that the root of 549 can be written as 3 into root of 61. So you can go further and numerically calculate this value, but we will leave it at 3 times root of 61. So coming back to our calculation, so root of 549, so instead of root of 549, we substitute 3 into root of 61, these many kilometers, and this finally gives us our answer, 300. 100 into 3 is 300, 300 root 61, these many kilometers. So this is the distance between the two planes after 1.5 hours. So 300 root 61 kilometers is our answer for question number 11.
To learn more about how Cuemath can help you crack school and board exams, explore Cuemath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.